Hello scholars, parents, family, guests. This is a video on the proper way to make cloth face coverings. Cloth face coverings are in accordance with the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. First, make sure you are able to do this. Next, get clean material. Next, hold clean material to your face. Next, measure clean material while holding it to your face. Next, make sure nose and mouth are fully covered. Next, keep measurement and slowly take material off your face. Keep the measurement, slowly take the material off your face. See, I kept it with my hand. Next, cut a straight line across the material. After you have kept your measurement, cut a straight line across the material. It is okay if the line is not completely straight. I repeat, it is okay if the line that you cut is not completely straight. See how I'm cutting a line across material? Wanted to make sure you see that. Next, put it on your nose and mouth. Then tie material behind your head with 2 knots. If it is too short or too difficult, open the back part. This is the back part. See that? Then cut the back part. Show you this back part. It's way longer now. Now it is longer. Finally, put it on your face, covering your nose and your mouth. Next, tie it. 2 bunny ears. That's 1. That's 2. You have a cloth face covering. You can also cut it a little bit, just a little bit, if you would like. Here is your cloth face covering, and you can wear it, and you should wear it anytime you go outside. Thank you, scholars. Thank you, guests. You are appreciated. Thank you for being safe.